To use internet services like online banking or internet shopping, you need a digital identity. Usually, your digital identity is a username and password, plus data needed to provide the service, like your name or address. Generally, you create your digital identity when you sign up for that online service. Unfortunately, people often choose simple passwords that are not very secure. When signing up for particularly sensitive internet services like online banking, you usually also need to authenticate your identity to demonstrate that you really are who you say you are and not an identity thief. Today, various processes are used to authenticate your identity. A service worker might video chat with you and ask to see your identity card. You might be sent a letter with a PIN code and other instructions. Or you go to a bank branch and complete the sign-up process in person. European researchers have developed a new system for digital identity and identity authentication called Impulse. Impulse works as an app on your smartphone. Instead of usernames and passwords, Impulse uses facial recognition. Facial recognition is one of the most secure and reliable digital identity technologies. We want to know what you think of Impulse. Let's see how it works. To sign up for an online service with Impulse, you open the service website or app and click Sign Up with Impulse. If you are using a computer, you can scan the QR code with your phone. This opens the Impulse app. Next, you take a photo of both sides of your ID card and a selfie, a photo of your face. Impulse then uses artificial intelligence to check that the selfie and your photo on the ID card match, to make sure that this really is you. It also checks that the ID card is not forged. The data needed to provide the service to you, like your name or address, are extracted from the card. You check that the data are true and correct any mistakes. If additional data are needed for the service, like your bank details to pay for the products or your hobbies to match you with people with similar interests, you enter this now. For added security, and to comply with European regulation, a worker also checks that the photos match. If they do, Impulse creates a digital identity with all the necessary data and stores it on your smartphone. The photos are deleted. The data are only stored in your digital identity on your phone. You are now signed up for the service and have a digital identity to log in with, which includes all the data the service needs. The entire process takes just a minute or two. To keep your digital identity safe from hackers, it is stored in a secure part of your phone. It is also encrypted in such a way that it can only be used for the particular service that you created it for, not for other services. Moreover, because it is protected with facial recognition, only you can use it. When you next want to log in to the online service, for instance to check your bank account with online banking or to shop online, you again go to the service website, click Login or scan the QR code. The Impulse app opens. You take a photo of your face. The app checks that the new photo matches the information in your digital identity. If they match, you are logged in and can use the service. At this point, you may need to provide some of the data stored in your identity to the service provider, so they can provide the service to you. The service provider may sometimes keep this data, if you agree, or if they have to for legal or technical reasons. Users will be able to use Impulse for many different online services.